Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Arijit Debna and welcome back to my another video on file handling. So in this video we are going to study about fprintf function. So fprintf function is known as format print function. So using this we can write the formatted data into the string, that is it can write the data directly into the file instead of writing into the console. Okay. As we use the function printf to print in a formatted way into the console, similarly in file we use fprintf function to print in a formatted way into the console. So we can print various types of data like character, string, or integers, floats, and using their respective format specifiers we can directly write them into the file. So in this video we are going to see fprintf function. Now let's just see the syntax of it. So here I am writing its syntax. It's fprintf, and inside the parenthesis first you have to write the file pointer name. So file pointer, then after that inside double quotes we have to write the format specifier. As we write in the printf, and then the variable, and there you go. This is how you can write inside a file. So this is the syntax of it. Now let me create a file quickly and show you how to write inside a file. I have created already a file. So here I have given the file name as abc.txt and I have used the mode as W. And if it is unable to create the file, then it will print unable to create file, and if it able to create the file, then it will simply print file created successfully. Now I will write here fprintf function, and inside the parenthesis I will first pass the file pointer, and then inside double quotes I will write the format specifiers, and then after that I will write the variables. So here I will take a character array of name size 25, and then I will take integer age and I will print enter name and age, and by using scanf I will receive the inputs enter name. So for that I will use s and then %d name and age. Done. What I have done here is I will take a name as input and then age another input, and I will put that name and age inside the file. So here I will write the person's format specifier as %s, then I will give a gap and %d for the age, and here I will write the variable name. So I will take name and age, two inputs of two types, one is string and another is integer. Okay, so let me quickly save this file. So I'll save it in my desktop. I'll create another practice 3 and I will save the program as program 3. Save. Now let me compile it. There is some problem. Compilation done. Run. So here it says enter name and age. So I will write the name as Arijit and age as 21. So it says file created successfully. Now let's see, going into the file, that it is written or not. So here ABC file which I've created, and I'm opening it, and it says Arijit and 21. So this is how I can write inside a file by using fprintf function. Okay, now let me try another thing. I will not take the user input. Okay, so let me delete the whole thing. I will use here append, and I will print here of my own. I mean, not from the user input. I will write here in the program. So for that I have to use only the double quotes, and inside it I will write what I need to write into the file. And here I don't need to pass the format specifier or the variable name. I can directly write here what I want to write. So I will write here, this is the first text. So this I want to write into the file. So I print here another statement, that data written successfully. So let's just compile it again and run it. So it says file created and data written successfully. So as I'm used append, so the previous one should be present, and then this should add to it. And see, Arijit Devnath 21, this was from the first, and this is the first text, this I have written just now. So this is how you can write formatted text into the file directly by using fprintf function. So that's it. That's all for today's video. I will see you in the next video.